Friends, you're watching here lovely printed zipper package of varieties. If you want to see a river for the collections of the cotton manufacturers, cotton sarees, you can see here all the bunches and many more cotton varieties like a river, many collections with the color charts. The manufacturers also implementing, doing production, and this festival season has brought for you the Maha Sale profitable business and margins. You can also do in your business to make customers happy, and this festival season, this 2025, you can rock with many more multiple varieties. So today you're watching here all the segment of quantity, quality collections, multiple varieties, cotton sarees 130, 140, 190, around up to 500 to 600. You can see many more printed cotton sarees. So friends, you're watching Kesaria Manufactures cotton segment. So keep watching this video. Today I brought for you crystal cotton, Gadwal cotton and Dola cotton varieties around 190 rupees to you have a 500 rupees of multiple unique designs varieties with every color chart. Subscribe the channel. If you are a cotton reseller, dealer, quickly you can add into your business by placing an order, COD options. And if you're looking for saree business, new products, subscribe the channel. You will get a regular product updates for the women apparels, set to set, women, kids, handlooms, all varieties. You're watching here crystal cotton varieties, very slim folding with the borders, gap borders here. So 190, around 200 you can buy these varieties. To know the actual prices, take a screenshot and you can contact our online team. Beautiful purple color with the white color with the gap border, copper finishing with white color rangoli print you can see here, and this is all the red color with a brownish shade where total damal is the coat. This is one of the brownish shade with pattern, lovely print of mehndi green with a gap border, total damal with a unique creamish color with a cream border. These all sarees having a one code of total damal is the code. This is one of the pattern, Rama green with a mild lemon yellow color with you can see the mini casual borders. Total damal is the code. This is a one more print. You have a designs and unique with the kesar color, with the orange color, with the golden yellow, and you have a one more color with the khaki color with a beautiful rangoli print pattern. This is also one of the pattern. You have a lavender with copper border with casual stylish print of this saree. You have a navy blue for the uniformic pattern. This also you can purchase, and the dark maroon shade with unique multi designs of these all varieties for homemates and regular housewives for regular to carry and to lightweight sarees, very comfortable. These are all crystal cotton, around 200 price. You can purchase 150 to 200 around. To know the actual prices, you can take a screenshot and you can contact. The second product varieties you're watching here, the Dola cotton. Dola cotton is very pretty. You have a different colors, which is a dark bottle green with tomato red with gap borders, rasmalai is the code, and here is a triangle pattern, blue, sky blue color with Mahalakshmi pattern border you can see over here, and next is casual and stylish covered floral printed of rasmalai with this matte yellow borders you can see over here, and the cookies color with a beautiful silver finishing border. This is also the one of the unique printed of sari, and next sari which is light green with peacock blue with two-tone shade of Kangan collections, and one more is dark military green with Salo silk, and these kind of collections of with the border sarees also you can purchase. If I want to talk about these Gadwal cotton sarees, around 300 to 350 around, you have a unique multiple designs of printed sarees. Coming to next sarees, which is a Gadwal cotton which is a crunchy cotton which is very beautiful. Even the starch, easy to wash and starch we put, it's having a unique look. Gadwal dolly with baby pink satin border with onion pinkish, dark purple maroon shade with butta, with Gadwal with copper butta border, gap border you can see over here. These all sarees having a exclusive color charts, and one more saree which is a white base with a greenish color with border. This is also having a beautiful Gadwal pink rose border and caramel color combination with Gadwal. This is also one kind of beautiful lovely collections. These all sarees for this festival Maha Sale you can buy from Kesaria Manufactures with the onion pinkish with Kerala pattern sarees with beautiful rose pink, this floral printed with golden border. gap border, and this bottle green with lovely unique printed with copper border. Gadwal women B. These all varieties you can buy around 190, 200 to 500 range of saris. Apart from this, we do have a cotton fancy saris, embroidering saris, cotton like beautiful cotton, light paper cotton, weightless cotton saris also in this embroidering border base, sequence base, thread base, multi border base, printed come border saris base. Every bunch you can see over here. These all varieties you can purchase, and catalog based, non-catalog based, sari, lehenga, kurti, women apparels, handloom, bedsheets, blankets, kids collections, dupattas and dupattas, women's underwear garments, and even you have a men varieties set to set. And purchasing, customers are keep purchasing, and sales executives online team, they are supporting and guiding them. Even we do have an online team also. So every sari we do have a such section, individual cotton sari section, rapier segment, all these collections for this Maha Sale Festival 2025 to purchase, to make your customers happy and satisfy. Visit Kesaria Manufacturers, which is located Kamila Darwaza Signal Point, Millennium Textile Building 1. First floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30 shop operates. Online there is a team for based on your language, Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada. You can switch to any online team and you can do video calling purchase, product call purchase. So, and let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting me. What kind of collections you are looking for, you can let me know in the comments. And if you couldn't, the numbers which are scrolling on the screen, people are there to support you, to guide you. To regular updates, bell icon, just click it. Keep share the link with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Next video we'll meet with new more collections, and until then keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.